Scrum.org launched an AI certification. Scrum Alliance launched one too. And right now, thousands of Scrum Masters are adding them to their resumes as fast as they can click and roll. Here's the uncomfortable part. None of them will get you hired. Not the PSMAI, not the AISM, not the next 3 that launch by winter. Let me show you why, and what actually moves a hiring manager in an AI-shaped market. Let's be clear about what's real. The certifications are real. Scrum.org quotes Professional Scrum Master AI Essentials is a legitimate credential. Scrum Alliance's AI for Scrum Masters micro-credential is real, and the skills behind them, using AI for backlog refinement, for sprint forecasting, for faster reporting, those are genuinely worth learning. But here's the flip. A certification proves you attended. It does not prove you delivered. And in 2026, hiring managers are drowning in candidates who all hold the same new badge, when every senior Scrum Master on the shortlist has PSMAI on the resume. The badge stops being a differentiator. It becomes table stakes. Think about what's actually happening inside these organizations. Digital.ai quotes research shows more than 8 in 10 organizations have already adopted AI in their delivery, but only about half have the governance to manage it responsibly. That gap is not a training problem. It's a leadership problem. And you don't close a leadership gap with a certificate. You close it with evidence. So, what does a hiring manager actually screen for? Not the badge, the story behind it. Here's the difference, and this is the whole game. Activity language says, certified in AI for Scrum Masters, familiar with AI-assisted backlog tools. Outcome language says, I introduced AI-assisted refinement that cut our backlog prep time in half, and I built the review gate that kept quality from slipping when the agents started moving faster than the team. Same candidate, same certification. One reads like a course completion, the other reads like someone who led. That's the trap of the Cert rush. It optimizes the wrong thing. Everyone is racing to prove they took the course, while the market is quietly filtering for the people who can prove they changed an outcome. And here's the harder truth for senior professionals. You probably already have the outcome. You've already used AI to speed up your reporting. You've coached a team through adopting a new tool. You caught the quality risk when unreviewed work started stacking up. You lived it. You just wrote it down as activity instead of impact. The certification didn't create your value. Your experience did. The badge only sits on top of it. It doesn't replace it. So, before you spend another weekend chasing the next AI credential, ask a sharper question. Can you name one outcome you drove and prove your fingerprints were on it? Because that, not the acronym after your name, is what survives the filter. If you're a Scrum Master, product owner, or Agile Coach sitting on real experience that still reads like a task list, that's exactly the gap I help close. Ready to reposition the experience you already have? Book a free 15-minute discovery call. The link is in the description. Get the badges if you want them. Just don't mistake them for the case. I'll see you in the next one.